Welcome to the demonstration of the South GPS using the South SurvX software. I'll just turn on the GPS and then we'll open up the software. Just takes a minute for the GPS.
GPRS mode.
It's just talking to you, telling you what the work status
Bluetooth is connected.
So GPRS is just it's using the mobile SIM card to dial into your nearest base station, which I'm using the LINS stations, which are free. Takes it a minute or so to do all this. When you first turn it on, you've just got to wait a minute for it to go through all the steps automatically.
Succeed to dial. Succeed to log on server. Fixed.
So we've now got a fixed status, so we're now ready to start surveying and staking out. So if we come into the point survey menu here, we can now just walk around and take some measurements. When we're doing that, we can obviously just record point measurements, like so. We can attach codes. We've got a feature code library. We can customize the library. We can also take photos and annotate the photos. We'll do one of those in a minute. So for example, let's take a point here. And if we pull up the photo and sketch, the camera is activated. For example, we've got ourselves a power pole here. You can take a photo. And we can go, yep, we're happy with that photo. And we can annotate the photo with writing on the photo notes and using the notes button. We can annotate the GPS position, the point name, whatever we like, and you can move that information around the photo and position it wherever you want. When you're happy with it, go OK. So when we store that point, there's a photo attached to it with the coordinates and the name and any other notes that we want to attach to that photo. When we're doing measuring, there's several survey styles. My favourite is the quick survey. We could do a polyline. So we can just walk along and take some measurements of the route of our power line or pole. And when we get to the end, obviously just, accept it. For example, we could go and do, say, a rectangle here, 3 points. So we could come back to our square power pole that we were just beside, and we could take 3 measurements to define the square shape of the power pylon. There's also survey methods to automatically record points based on distance and time. So for example, we might just log spot heights, put the gear on a quad bike and go we can specify the parameters. At the moment it's auto record by time. We'll change that to distance. Interval every, say, 2 meters. And so now as I walk along, start measuring. Oops. Auto by point. And it'll automatically record the points. When we come back to the office, or while we're out in the field, obviously the last step is to go and export the data. So you come back to the main survey menu here. You see there's only one screen that's got everything you need on it. We can customize what menus are here. We can add stuff, remove stuff to make it as simple as possible. So if we just go and export, say, this data, the photos, or we can do user-defined CSVs. There's standard CSV formats in here. You've got AutoCAD DXF format. You've got Google Earth, KML, KMZ exports. So you just go and choose your format that you want, or you can customize your own CSV format and then just go and export that data and then copy and paste it to your computer. So thank you for listening.